Okay guys, I showered. That's why it looks, I know, I can't believe it. What's this? What's this moment?
That was such a good photo I got.
Oh my god, so good. That's the one. So yeah, I showered and I tried to... Oh my god, I said debacle because... Debacle. I was meant to say debacle, but I said debacle.
By accident.
By accident! Alright, this is my outfit of the day. Charlotte hates it, which is why I said debacle in the first place, because... Sure. It's like not great, look.
Waiting to happen.
It's not great, because...
Walk us through it.
My boobs finished here.
What is that you've got going on under there? Is it a crop top?
It's a crop top, but it matches the pink here, so I thought that was the best option. This top's from Urban Outfitters. It's so effing short, guys. You can't even
I think it's too small because it's...
It's a medium.
Ah, maybe it's just...
Like, what kind of person do you want to fit this? And then I've got this little crop top underneath. Shoelace to tie up.
Which looks so bad.
Yeah, the shoelace is not great, but I just didn't want to wear a massive black belt. Charlotte, when you stop dressing like the founder of Apple, talk to me then.
He's rich. I'll take that.
And then these jeans from Princess Polly.
Necklace.
Necklace. The jewels. The jewels are from Princess Polly. This is my Roman necklace. But yeah, I showered because I'm going out tonight. I've tried to say the sentence 3 times. I don't usually shower in the morning, but I know myself. And I'm going to my work Christmas party tonight, and I know for a fact I'm not going to want to shower when I get home, so I've taken care of myself. No, I don't.
You're going out.
I showered this morning.
You're going out.
Yeah, and then I'll shower tomorrow morning.
Falling into your little precious sanctuary bed with the night's dirt on you.
Mate, a lot of people are morning showerers.
But even if you go out,
You look like General Chang right now or something, like with the plait and the kimono style. And also, oh yeah, I was supposed to be editing my Vlogmas for today, but I exported all the footage onto my computer and I was like, this is so F-off boring that I can't even sit through it and edit it. So I've decided I'm just gonna take the best of it and include it here. Hi guys, welcome back to another Vlogmas vlog. Anyway, Chloe's here. My beautiful angel Chloe. We're gonna go in the pool now. I'm wearing these new bathers from Creepy Men Look Away, actually, I just realized. Our pool's actually looking pretty good by our standards. Our standards are pretty low though. Here's this beautiful thing that isn't even ours, but it's probably the best looking thing in our backyard. Jump in.
I'm not jumping in.
Okay, I'm making myself dinner now. Mum's already prepared everything. We're having tacos like we had the other night. That's This is quite an unsatisfying looking taco, if you ask me. Alright guys, it's just one of those days. I'm really tired, and I think because it's been so hot lately, I'm just feeling slightly out of it. So I need to do some organizing and just getting my shit together. Someone posted today on their Instagram story, Christmas is next week. And I was like, oh my god, it is. And after Christmas is New Year's. And then New Year's is a new year. And I feel like this time of year, actually when you think about it, there's only effing 2 weeks left of the year, isn't there? Oh my god. There's 2 weeks left. That's not sat right with me. Alright, I definitely need to get my shit together, guys. So this is good timing for this. Can you believe it? Oh my god, sorry, this is me having a mental breakdown, but I need to organize so many things. I need to organize content for the rest of the year and the start of January. I need to organize Vlogmas content for the next week and a half. And I need to write a grocery list and a meal plan for the week. And I need to just do a lot of shit. And I haven't got enough freaking footage for today because I spent all day editing. So there's no footage. It's so hot in here. Sorry, I'm just complaining for absolutely no reason. But look how cute this is. This is the first time I've used this. Oh, isn't that lovely? Where do I start? What do I start with? What are you doing? I'm just getting my life together. That's what I'm doing. What do you want to do though? In those 2 weeks? I have so much to do. Make sure you've got a fresh start for next year. Yeah, like I just need to make sure that I'm ready to be thrust into... How are you guys going? How are your goals? How's your freaking, like, I can't believe it. Sorry, I'm rambling about this, but it's really shook me. I've got some organising to do and I'll get back to you guys, so, Emily, flash us a pose. That's not a pose either.
Oh my god. Oh
yeah. I am currently on a walk with the mother dearest and Emily. I'm a little bit litty off that champagne, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. But I've done quite a bit of planning, so I'm feeling pretty good. Wearing my new jumper. I love this jumper, but it's been so freaking hot the past few days. What? Just feeling it. Yeah, it's nice. Have a good day. Alright, I'm back from work. I didn't even really talk to you before work, but I had work. And now I'm back. How many times can I say one sentence in a different way? Anyways, I went grocery shopping after work. We've got a little Scotty here. Hi, Scott. This was my tripod that you're sitting in. So, I'm trying to get a little bit of a healthier grocery haul, and I was in freaking dire need of food today, guys. Like, I just had snacks. The first thing I got was these pasture raised chicken eggs. I am so hot. I honestly don't even eat eggs that much, but like I'm gonna try and have omelets for breakfast or something. And these really healthy chips, I don't know if you've heard of them, they're really good for you. And also this is really good for you. Then I got a lettuce, delicious. Cucumber, these ones, it's, yeah. Red onion, because I am partial to having a bit of red onion every once in a while. Tomatoes, wraps. These are low carb wraps, even though I'm not doing keto, obviously. Carrots, these are the crazy carrots. They're the odd bunch ones. These were 90 cents. And like, they might be a bit ugly and misshapen, but like, they're freaking carrots, you know. All carrots deserve a home. Tuna, tzatziki, have in wraps. I was gonna get falafels, but I couldn't freaking find them. So this was meant to be for like falafel wraps, but I couldn't find the falafels, so. And then lastly, I just got this little thing of, why aren't you focusing, darling? Full cream milk, because I'm going to make mac and cheese sometime in the near future, and I need this. And that is my freaking healthy-ish grocery haul. Okay, it is time. These freaking stickers came from Redbubble. All my movie stickers that I bought. They came and I'm so excited. I've been waiting to put them on for a vlog. Oh, how lucky am I gonna be? Waking up and looking at this sexy thing. I say that as if I don't have the worst eyes ever and I'm gonna be able to see up there. It's gonna look like a blob of nothing. Like actually $80 on these like 40 stickers. I'm obsessed with movies. We all know this. And just to add a little bit of a more personal flair to me redoing my room, I wanted to get all of my favorite movies and shows and directors, etc., to stick up there so that when I'm watching movies, I can look at movies. I think my favorite one, okay, actually I've got a few. This one's like the shittest quality, but I simply couldn't not get it. If you've seen Happy Gilmore, this is the best character in Happy Gilmore. Don't even fight me on that. And Zeldris and Meliodas, pretty freaking epic. Where's the one I'm looking for though? That one's iconic. This is the one I'm looking for. Is that not the most perfect sticky you've ever seen in your life? Let's chuck them up there, baby. Alright, I'm freaking done. This one's like not cramped at all. And then when I did this one, I was like, oh my god, I have too many stickers and not enough room. So that was that. And now we're here. I'm also gonna have my back for tonight, and I'm gonna meal prep some mac and cheese because I know I'm gonna want something to eat tonight, and quite frankly, mac and cheese is sounding pretty good. I don't know why I came in here.
Hey Jamie, I always got a Christmas special on
Tonight.
Woo! Jamie Oliver's my daddy. Why do I look like that?
Have I got a fever? Because my face is red. Ew! Here's the most satisfying part. Oh, frick, this is so heavy. Alright, I'm having it for lunch, which is kind of feral because that means I'm going to be having it for lunch and sometime tonight when I get home, but that's the way life goes, guys. You gotta roll with the punches, you know? Anyway, so I'm gonna eat this and watch 7 Deadly Sins. Anyway, bye. Okay, I needed to stop watching 7 Deadly Sins because honestly, guys, it's actually painful. Like, it's such a hard show to watch because I'm such an emotional person and I just like reeling. Oh, she can't handle it because she had a sexy dream about Meliodas. It wasn't, I swear. Yeah, it's just too much for me. Anyway, I got a package. You know, I ordered this yesterday and it's already here. And I'm so excited. Oh, I just saw your bum already. I ordered from Verge Girl. I got this brown, yes, top. I'm living for brown at the moment. And then I got this matching set, which now I'm kind of scared of seeing it in real life. This broke the bank, so it better look good. Just kidding, it didn't break the bank. The pants. Oh, piss off, Charlotte. I don't need this negative energy. Oh, shit. And then a halter neck, which is genuinely see-through. So, yeah.
I never have to see you in that wrap quality.
I don't know, I just loved it for some reason. So, yes. Now I'm gonna get ready because I've got work party tonight. Oh my god, there's so many.
I've got work party.
I've got work party. So many cute cats everywhere. Darlings. Oh, aren't you gorge? Okay guys, I don't give a shit what Charlotte says because this pops off. Look how it goes down on the back. It is a bit red and I thought it was going to be brown. And the pants are a little bit saggy on the dick, but I love it. Okay, I look terrifying right now because all I have on, all my muscles look freaking huge in this light. I've only got my foundation and concealer on right now because Annie is gonna do my makeup for me. Yay! So I've made myself.
Have you already set your
drink? Yeah. Well, I set like where I put my concealer. Alright, let's get to bouncing. We need some music on or something because this isn't vibey. You don't care about vibes?
I should do my makeup for like 3 hours without music. So.
I judge people who do their makeup without music on so harshly. I'm listening to a Justin Bieber Essentials playlist. So, you dating any boys at the moment?
No.
I was boyfriend.
Next.
Yes, snatch my nose, daddy.
That's what I like to do. Alright, now what I like to do is take a mini little brush.
Posture goals. I just looked in the viewfinder.
Your face is just that crusty that I don't know what I can do.
Whoa, my nose looks like Phineas's.
I didn't do that. Nothing I do can.
Oh, Mum loves this song. I love that Mum loves this song. That is so nice.
I didn't do any more.
Madison Beer!
Like, you liking it?
Yeah. I mean, it's better than anything I could do, isn't it? The bar's pretty low. But I feel so blessed that the Annie Edwards Beauty is doing my makeup. Okay, we're done. Okay. How good does it look? You can't see properly because I feel like every lighting is bad lighting. I need to do my hair because this is not vibing with my life. I also need to change my outfit because I'm not wearing this. Doesn't my makeup look good though? Okay, I'm about to leave. This is the outfit that I went with. I'm wearing this like corset type. This is really hard to show. Corset type off the shoulder top from Princess Polly. Then these pants are from Princess Polly, and this jacket's from Princess Polly, and this bag is from Princess Polly, and these shoes are from a little shop called Converse. Don't know if you guys have heard of it. And I'm wearing my hair in this like slicked middle part pony, and I'm about to go. Night fever night. Okay, bye. Alright y'all, I'm back. I didn't get any footage there because that would be weird.
Would it?
Yeah.
What?
Hi babe.
I know you vlog.
Beth knows I have a YouTube channel, but nobody else does, so that'd be weird. I didn't even know you were there. I was like, whose voice is
Your
that?
makeup just looks so good.
Yeah, I know.
I saw this TikTok thing and it was
Goldfish.
collage of like all these.
No,
different-
that's
Guys, wait, let me have the camera. Like with numbers. And there was like 5.
Okay,
Like number 5 and exact.
Mum got goldfish from Costco.
And you come into, like,
They taste
number 5,
so
like,
bad. Oh my god, this is too focused for me. Like these. Ew, they're so gross. Anyway, didn't vlog there, but Beth drove us home. We got us Macca's. So right now I've got McBites. It's my flask. Just kidding. And a double cheeseburger. You drink it just like water. You say it tastes like candy. Hello, I just realized I didn't end this vlog. Not much to say about the caliber of the vlogs these days, but we're edging into Christmas, so yay. But I'll see you right now. I'll see you right now. I've seen you just now, and I will see you tomorrow again. Love you. Bye.